Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Sportage EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 181 horsepower, 2.4L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock in dash. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.